I spend more time in this room than anywhere else in my life. This room has seen my laziness, my dreams, and my late-night thoughts. Sometimes I feel my room knows me better than my friends. A messy room can silently ruin your mood without you realizing it. I have argued with myself in this room more than with anyone else. This room is small, but my overthinking here is unlimited. My room looks normal, but my mind here is always loud. Some days, this room feels like a comfort zone and a prison. If my room could talk, it would expose all my secrets. Let me show you how I talk about my room in simple English. Let's start from the beginning of my day in my room. Wake up in my room every morning around 6. This is my room, and it feels quiet in the morning. I usually say, "This room feels peaceful right now." My bed is the first thing I notice when I wake up. I say, "My bed is messy today." Sometimes I say, "My bed looks comfortable but dangerous." I mean, it makes me want to sleep again. I sit on my bed and stretch for a minute. I say, "I am sitting on my bed right now." Then I look around my room slowly. I say, "My room is small but cozy." You can say, "My room is not very big." I have a table near the wall. I say, "This is my study table." My table is usually full of random things. My table is cluttered.